Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you best heroes in Lands of Jail. In Lands of Jail, the best heroes can depend on your progression, but if we rank them based on individual performance, especially for early to mid game players, here are 10 strong picks to consider. Starting at number 10, Sumo Tyrant is a solid epic fighter that performs well early on but falls off later. Ninth is Inara, a legendary burst damage dealer capable of hitting multiple high value targets. Eighth is Geared, a reliable epic tank known for strong defense and frontline protection. Seventh is Lunar, an epic utility hero that stays useful even into later progression. Sixth is Gimes, a balanced epic hero with excellent survivability. Fifth is Loyal, one of the strongest epic damage dealers, especially effective against bosses. Fourth is Viven, a legendary support hero that provides powerful team buffs. Third is Phoenix, an extremely durable tank with team utility. Second is Tyrone, a legendary hero combining damage, durability, and crowd control. Taking the top spot is Tormund, a powerful carry hero with outstanding damage across multiple game modes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.